chapter we will see how to install Eclipse into our Windows machine. Let's go to computer and just right here download Eclipse. Click here and then download this one and then click on download button. Guys, I've already downloaded into my machine, so after downloading I will install that. So this one is already downloaded into my machine. So here is Eclipse software. I'll start installing. In this one we will choose second option, this one, because we are going to use enterprise Java or advanced Java. This one is for core Java, this one is for advanced Java. So we will click this second option to install and then let's click on install. And guys, it successfully got installed. Now click on launch and then see the magic. Okay, it asks you for workspace, so you can change your directory as per your requirement, or else you can leave as it is. Then click on launch. So finally this is our window. Okay, and then we will be creating our servlet program or dynamic web pages. So you can see this one is the third option. In case it doesn't appear there, then you can find here also. If you type here dynamic web pages, web project, you can see. Okay, so in case it's already available, then that's fine, or else you can find from there as well. So just click on this and then it asks you for the project name. So I will name it as first project or my project, whatever name you want to give. It says already exist, so I will give it some different name like my pros. Yes, but before that it says that there is no any server here. Okay, so we need to install the server. So as you can see guys, here there is no server available because we need any of the server or Tomcat, Apache Tomcat server to run any application. So first what we will do, you have two options. You can directly go to Apache website and download and install, or you can install via this Eclipse ID. So in the next video I will show you how to install Apache Tomcat server inside Eclipse editor.